Let us go and record some sound with Mitra Beamer and compare it with some top name brand shotgun professional microphone. These are all well regarded professional microphones used by filmmakers all over the world, so you know they are excellent in their sound quality. So let us see how Mitra Beamer fares against them.
Fly me to the moon and let me swing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on a Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fly me to the moon and let me swing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Fly me to the moon. Fly me to the moon. Let me see what spring is like on. Let me see what spring is like on.
We filmmakers mostly use a directional mic for our everyday use. A directional mic allows us to record sound from a specific source, like a telephoto lens, which allows us to isolate a subject in a cluttered environment. The directional mic we use is generally a shotgun mic. The problem with a shotgun mic is its distortion and sound coloration, as well as comparatively high self-noise. Most of us do not use it to record anything else other than on-location dialogues and human voices. As an indie filmmaker, we frequently work alone, and we have many equipment to haul, so many things to worry about the camera, the lenses, the exposure, the memory card, laptops. And the last thing we need to worry about carrying multiple microphones and then switching them, reconnecting them to record various sound sources. I was thinking about this need as a filmmaker. I need a directional microphone which is capable of recording this entire full frequency spectrum with utmost fidelity. It should be very small in size, not that long and big like a shotgun mic. It should be very light. It should come along with all shock mounts and all other accessories so that I can use it on camera or on a boom in a moment's notice. Unfortunately, there was no such mic available. And that was the inspiration of us to design Mitra Beamer. And the result is these microphones. These are world's first beamforming mic array for filmmakers and DSLR camera owners like you. Beamer comes in 3 flavors: Mitra Beamer DSLR, Beamer Pro, and Beamer Ultra. Beamer DSLR is our most affordable beamforming mic array. It has 3 super low noise professional mic elements, and it is a direct substitute of any video microphone you may be using. So you use it just like your regular video microphone. You mount it on your DSLR or your video camera by using a hot shoe and connect the mic to your DSLR or your video camera by using the supplied phono mic cable. Beamer Pro has 5 super low noise professional mic elements. This has been designed specifically for indie filmmakers on tight budget. It has an XLR output so that you can use it on camera or on a boom pole. You can run a long length of XLR cable between this mic and your camera. And Beamer Ultra is our top of the line beamforming mic array. It has 5 ultra low noise professional mic element. This makes it the lowest self noise beamforming mic array among the Beamer, and it has outstanding low frequency response. It also has an XLR output, so you can use it on camera or on a boom pole.